Hey guys, here's my recipe for a delicious steak picado. Tender steak cooked in a delicious sauce of roasted tomatoes, onions, and jalapenos. I'm using sirloin steak that I've cut into bite-sized pieces. I've also diced up green and red bell pepper and onion, 2 potatoes diced, about 2 cups of chicken broth. These are the seasonings that I use. Full measurements will be in the description box below. Add all the seasoning to the meat. Mix it well and set aside. Saute your peppers and onions just until they're soft. Then add the meat. Brown your meat for about 10 minutes. While the meat's cooking, work on your sauce. Add tomatoes, jalapeno, and onion to a baking pan. Add salt, pepper, and oil. Roast at 400 for about 20 minutes. Transfer the roasted veggies to a blender and 1 cup of chicken broth and blend until smooth. Once it's blended, set it aside. By now, your meat should be brown and it's time to add the potatoes. Adding potatoes is optional, so feel free to leave them out. Add your sauce to the pan. This sauce is really good. Add the last cup of chicken broth and stir well. Once it comes to a simmer, lower your heat, cover it, and let it cook about 30 to 45 minutes. Let it simmer uncovered for about 15 minutes. This dish is spicy, savory, so good. You can use it for tacos, nachos, burritos. I serve it with rice and beans. Give this a try. Thanks for watching.